Welcome to how to manage your bookings, invoices, and payments on HotelHub. Luckily, this is a very simple procedure. On the top right corner, you can see there's My Reservations. When you click on it, you'll be forwarded to the reservation dashboard where you can see a number of different categories. We have attention needed, which is obviously the bookings where your attention needs to be. Pending new could be if you pay with your credit card and cancel mid through the payment process, it will be on pending new. This happens very rarely in the attention needed, but it can happen sometimes. And just to under that, you will find new remarks, which is where we'll be communicating in regards to extra services for your reservation. Then there is deadline if you have any upcoming cancellation deadlines. And just below that, you have status and you have your options. Currently, we click here, we have no options. If you click confirm, you can see your confirmed bookings and your cancelled. Then lastly, we have the payment status. If you click on not paid, this will be the reservations which are not paid. And of course, you have a little indicator showing you how many reservations that haven't been paid. Then we of course have the paid ones, which we will have a complete overlook of all your paid bookings. Of course, if you need to go specific, you can click on Find Reservation. And here you will also have the option to type in your reference number, the information of the client, the booking info, as you can see here, the stay info, for example, the hotel, or maybe the city. We can type in here Delhi, and we will see all the reservations which are in Delhi. For this one, there's unfortunately no reservation for Delhi. Of course, we can modify the search to our liking. For example, we can also go into the financial status of the booking. As you can see, we can go down to when was the reservation invoiced, when was the reservation paid. I'm selecting paid, and you can see now which reservations have been paid. And there's a lot of different options in regards to finding your booking. And now to the accounting section of HotelHub. If you go up and click at this wheel, you will see My Invoices. You will click My Invoices, and now you'll be forwarded to your invoice page. Here you will have every invoice will have a number. You can see the type. I is for invoice, but for example, if you have something credited, a certain amount for whatever reason, you have a C here. Then there is the date that the invoice was issued. Then there is the due date when the invoice has to be paid, the total amount that needs to be paid, and the paid amount and the remaining balance. If you want to look at a specific invoice, you also have the option to click on this little eye icon, and you will see all the information for this specific invoice. You will have the option to view it as a PDF. As you can see here, all the details are in the PDF format. Of course, you can also send it to one from your accounting team or who might find this relevant. On the specific invoice, you will of course have the same information that you had as at the overlook page. You will have your total amount, your invoice number. As you can see down below, you will have your amount paid, when it was paid, how it was paid, and of course the transaction ID linked. So you have a complete overlook of all your bookings, and it should be very straightforward in regards to managing your invoices. Furthermore, our system offers you to export your invoices in an Excel format. Of course, you have to choose a date, so you click on filter, and for our filtering, we just choose the invoice from, we say 1st of February to, let's say 1st of March. We click here, we click filter, and then we will have the invoices in this time frame. As you can see, we have 3 invoices. We click export. Now we just give it a file name and click save. So now you will have the possibility to open your Excel sheet, and you can see the invoices in a table format with all the details as mentioned previously. So that was it. That is how you can manage your bookings, your invoices, and your payments on HotelHub. For any other questions, of course, you can always write to us, our revenue or accounting team, if you have any questions. Otherwise, we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.